Hello everyone. Welcome to a special edition of our show where we embark on a thrilling journey into the mesmerizing world of billionaires. Ever wondered what makes these extraordinary individuals stand out from the crowd? Today, we're on a mission to unravel the secrets that have propelled them to the summit of success. Get ready, because by the end of this episode, you might discover the keys to unlocking your own potential and setting yourself on the path to becoming the next billionaire. We often see billionaires as these mythical figures, achievers on an unreachable pedestal. But here's the thing. They started just like us, with dreams, determination, and a set of habits that paved their way to greatness. So let's dive deep into the habits that transformed them into the titans of industry. Are you ready to uncover the magic behind their success? Buckle up, because this is your backstage pass to the billion-dollar playbook. Act 1. The power of morning rituals. Now, let's dive deep into the first habit that sets billionaires apart. The power of morning rituals. It's not just about waking up early. It's about how you use those precious morning hours to set the tone for the rest of the day. And trust me, billionaires have mastered this art. You've probably heard the saying, "The early bird catches the worm." Well, billionaires take that saying to a whole new level. They understand the potential of those early hours when the world is still waking up. Meet Elon Musk, the man behind the revolutionary companies Tesla and SpaceX. Musk's morning routine is a blueprint for success. He rises at 7 a.m. not to the blaring of an alarm clock, but with a purpose, ready to take on the challenge. I find myself much more productive in the morning. It's a quiet time where I can think and prioritize my day. I usually start by checking and responding to emails, addressing critical tasks that need immediate attention. By structuring his mornings, Musk ensures that he's in control right from the beginning, tackling emails and critical tasks before most of us have even hit the snooze button. Imagine the advantage that gives him a head start in the race to success. While many of us are still fumbling for the snooze button, Elon Musk is already conquering the day. And the best part, you don't need to be a billionaire to adopt this habit. You just need the will to make your mornings count. So my friends, let's take a page out of Elon Musk's playbook. Let's embrace the power of a purposeful morning routine, a routine that sets the stage for a successful day. After all, if a visionary like Musk attributes part of his success to a well-structured morning, there's certainly something magical about those early hours. Are you ready to rise and shine like a billionaire? Act 2. Art of learning. Now, let's delve into the habit. successful future. Act 3. Networking and relationship building. Now, let's delve into the intriguing world of networking and relationship building. It's not just about mingling at events or exchanging business cards. It's about cultivating authentic connections that can propel you towards success. Billionaires truly understand the profound value of these relationships and the doors they have the power to open. Consider this your net worth, and one individual who has mastered the art of meaningful connections is none other than Oprah Winfrey. Oprah Winfrey, the iconic media mogul and philanthropist, is celebrated not just for her professional achievements, but also for her exceptional ability to connect with people on a personal level. What sets Oprah apart is her genuine approach to building relationships. Oprah believes that every person has a story to tell, and she has a unique way of making each individual feel seen and heard. This authenticity has not only fueled her career, but has also created a powerful network that extends far beyond the entertainment industry. It's not just about accumulating contacts. It's about fostering relationships based on trust, respect, and shared values. Oprah's network is a testament to the idea that when you invest time and effort in building genuine connections, you open doors to opportunities that can significantly impact your personal and professional life. So whether you're an aspiring entrepreneur, a professional climbing the corporate ladder, or someone pursuing a creative passion, remember this lull. Take the time to build real connections. It's not just about who you know, it's about who truly knows you. As Oprah Winfrey beautifully demonstrates, a network built on authenticity and empathy can be the key to unlocking doors you never thought. Act 4. The persistence mindset. Now, let's dive deep into the mindset that separates the billionaires from the rest, the persistence mindset. These visionaries understand that failure is not the end, but a stepping stone towards success. They don't just weather the storms. They dance in the rain, learning and growing with each challenge. Persistence is not about avoiding failure. It's about embracing it. Billionaires see failures as opportunities for learning and growth. Every setback becomes a valuable lesson, and they use it to refine their strategies and move closer to their goals. Take Jeff Bezos, the mastermind behind Amazon. In the early days, Amazon faced financial struggles, skepticism from investors, and logistical nightmares. But Bezos' unwavering determination transformed these challenges into stepping stones. His famous quote, "I knew that if I failed, I wouldn't regret that, but I knew the one thing I might regret is not trying," perfectly encapsulates the persistence mindset. During the dot-com crash in the early 2000s, Amazon's stock plummeted and the company faced skepticism about its survival. However, Bezos persisted, steering the ship through turbulent times. Instead of being disheartened by setbacks, he viewed them as opportunities to iterate and evolve. Bezos understood that innovation often comes hand in hand with setbacks. Amazon's initial struggles laid the foundation for its later success. The persistence mindset didn't just keep Amazon afloat. It propelled it to become a global e-commerce giant, reshaping the retail landscape. So, what can we learn from Bezos and other billionaires with this persistence mindset? Embrace failure as a part of the journey. Instead of seeing obstacles as roadblocks, view them as opportunities to pivot, adapt, and ultimately succeed. The road to success is rarely smooth, but with persistence, each setback becomes a stepping stone toward greatness. Health is wealth. Let's delve into the world of billionaires and their commitment to health. It's a common saying that health is wealth, and billionaires take this adage seriously. They understand that their success is intricately linked to their physical and mental well-being, making a healthy lifestyle a cornerstone of their habits. Now, when we talk about prioritizing health, one shining example is Mark Zuckerberg, the innovative co-founder of Facebook. In the midst of leading one of the most influential tech companies globally, Zuckerberg makes it a point to prioritize his physical health. Every day, without fail, Zuckerberg incorporates exercise into his routine. Whether it's a morning jog, weight training, or even a simple yoga session, he believes that maintaining a healthy body is not just about physical appearance but is vital for optimal cognitive function. Beyond the gym, Zuckerberg pays keen attention to his diet. A well-balanced and nutritious intake fuels his body and mind. He understands the importance of the mind-body connection and how a healthy diet contributes to better decision-making and sustained energy levels. But it's not just about physical health. Billionaires also prioritize mental well-being. Zuckerberg, like many successful individuals, recognizes the significance of mental clarity and emotional resilience in navigating the challenges that come with entrepreneurship. Mark Zuckerberg's commitment to health isn't just a personal choice. It's a strategic investment in his success. By adopting these habits, he ensures that he's operating at his best, both mentally and physically, to tackle the demands of his dynamic role as a business leader. So the next time you hit the gym or opt for a nutritious meal, remember, you're not just investing in your health. You're investing in your success. Because as Mark Zuckerberg and other billionaires have shown us, health truly is wealth on the journey to the Act 6. Innovation and risk-taking. Innovation and risk-taking are the dynamic duo that has fueled the success of many billionaires. These visionaries understand that progress requires stepping out of comfort zones and challenging the norms. Let's delve deeper into this habit with a remarkable example. Bill Gates, the co-founder of Microsoft, is a prime illustration of how innovation and risk-taking can shape the world. In the early days of personal computing, Gates took a monumental risk that altered the course of history. Imagine this all-young Bill Gates, a Harvard dropout driven by an insatiable passion for software development. He envisioned a future where every home and office would have a personal computer, a vision that was considered audacious and far-fetched at the time. In an era dominated by mainframe computers, the idea of a personal computer seemed like a pipe dream. But Gates was undeterred. He believed in the potential of personal computing to empower individuals and revolutionize the way we live and work. So what did he do? Bill Gates took the leap. He dropped out of Harvard and, along with his childhood friend Paul Allen, founded Microsoft in 1975. This bold move wasn't just a departure from the traditional academic path. It was a calculated risk that set the stage for the technological revolution we're living in today. Microsoft's operating systems, like MS-DOS and later Windows, became the backbone of personal computing. Gates' vision and willingness to take risks transformed the tech industry, making computers accessible to the masses and laying the foundation for the digital age we now inhabit. Bill Gates didn't just stop at creating a successful company. He ignited a spark that inspired countless others to dream big and innovate. His legacy serves as a testament to the incredible impact of calculated risks and bold innovation. So, dear viewers, the next time you find yourself hesitating to take a risk or question the status quo, remember the story of Bill Gates. Innovation and risk-taking are not reserved for the chosen few. They are tools available to anyone with a vision and the courage to pursue it. Let's embrace the spirit of innovation, take calculated risks, and who knows, maybe you'll be the next trailblazer in the ever-evolving landscape of success. There you have it, folks. The blueprints to billionaire success unveiled for you. But here's the thrilling part. These habits aren't locked behind exclusive gates. They're not reserved for the chosen few. No, my friends. These habits are open for everyone to embrace and incorporate into their lives. That's right, you, me, your neighbor, and even your cat. Well, maybe not the cat. The exciting revelation is that these habits are like keys to a treasure trove. And the treasure isn't just money, it's success in every aspect of life. So why not start today? Imagine waking up with a purpose, fueled by a morning routine that sets the tone for a day of triumphs. Envision yourself devouring knowledge like a buffet, constantly evolving and growing. Picture building relationships that not only enrich your life, but also open doors you never knew existed. And let's not forget that unwavering persistence, the superhero cape you wear in the face of challenges. Prioritizing health, not as a chore but as an investment in your own wealth, the wealth of a healthy mind and body. And of course, the audacity to innovate, to take risks, because let's be honest, the magic happens outside our comfort zones. Whether you're a student, a professional, an entrepreneur, or just someone navigating this crazy ride called life, these habits are your secret sauce. They're the steps to your own red carpet, leading to a life of fulfillment, achievement, and yes, financial success. Remember, the journey to becoming the next billionaire doesn't start with a giant leap. It begins with the first step, the decision to embrace these habits. So, my friends, go ahead, take that step. Start small, but start now. Unlock your full potential, because the only limits that exist are the ones we place on ourselves. Who knows, the next billionaire might be watching this right now, ready to embark on a journey that changes not just their life, but the world. Cheers to the habits that lead to extraordinary lives. Until next time, dream big and take that step.